Hello kids, good afternoon. Welcome to Hogwarts. So today I'm going to talk about colors. Colors you see in the nature. Which color is this? It's white color. कौन सा color है ये? It's white. The rose is of red color. Which color is this? Red. Which color is this? Red. Which color is this? It's brown. Which color is this? Brown. This is a purple color. कौन सा color है ये? Purple. Which color is this? It's pink. Which color is this? Pink. Which color is this? It's yellow. Mango is of yellow color. Which color is this? It's orange. Nimrit, there are so many balls hiding in our garden today. I want you to find out a green ball for me. All right, can you put that in the basket? A yellow ball now. Yes, very good. Can you find out a pink ball? Is this a light pink or a dark pink?
Dark.
No, that's light pink.
Light.
So give me dark pink now. All right, give me. Now give me 2 orange balls. 2, I want 2. 1. All right, good. Okay, 2 orange balls. Well done, Nimrit. Thank you.